Do you know what's the best export settings for Lightroom Mobile? Stay tuned. Do you ever edit your photos and they look great on Lightroom and then you export them to your phone and then they look like shit? Well, let me teach you how to do it. The first thing we want to do is open our Lightroom. There is a photo that I have right here that I was working on. It looks pretty good. So what you want to do is you're going to click on that box with the arrow pointing up. You're going to click in there. You're going to go all the way down where it says export as. Click in there. File type, you want to make sure it's JPEG because that's the file that most social media use to share your photos, such as Instagram, Vero, Facebook, etc., etc. You want to go to dimension. You see I have it set for the largest available. Usually you guys have it on small. Make sure you click on largest available dimension. That will give you the whole dimension on the photo and it will look a lot better. And then you scroll down to image quality. Make sure it's 100%. Then you're gonna click on, if you want to do your file naming and all of that, best way to do it, you have it in order, perfect. After that, click on the check mark, click in there, it's gonna give you the option to share, go all the way down, save image, and that's it, you are done. Thank you for watching. If you guys want a tutorial, a specific tutorial on something, leave it on the comment, I will get to it as soon as possible, and see you later.